Some breaking news just coming in. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has written to the UP Chief Minister. She's written to Yogi Adityanath expressing concern over low testing rate, alleges that true numbers are not coming out of the state. She's also said that acute shortage of beds, black marketing of oxygen and life-saving medication in UP is happening rampantly. Fleecing of family members of victims at cremation grounds. Waiting time for ambulance is 12 hours. These are some of the concerns that we all know UP and other states are being plagued with. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra highlighting them in a letter to UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. She's put out 10 suggestions to the UP Chief Minister on the fight against COVID-19. Anand Patel has more on that. Which are the 10 suggestions, Anand, that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has spoken about? Take us through the details.
Yes, you see, this is coming just after the scathing attack which Priyanka Gandhi launched against Yogi Adityanath, that not enough is being done by the state government, and in fact those people who are trying to come up with truth, the government is threatening them with seizing their property, and she had dared Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath to seize her property for speaking out. Now this 3-page letter which has come up, she has highlighted 4 basic drawbacks which are there in UP today when the state is witnessing a massive surge in COVID cases. The first one being that the testing is very low and the true numbers are not coming out. So far, less than 1 crore people have been vaccinated and only 40 crore have been allocated for the budget of the vaccination, which is going to take place in the 3rd phase from the 1st of May. The government, in fact, will need 10,000 crore rupees to do that. Priyanka Gandhi has urged Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath to come up with those budgetary allocations. Also, she had urged that in the villages the situation is worse, and she has said that the ASHA workers, the Anganwadi workers should be equipped, they should be called to duty, they should be given with equipments and medicines so that the people in the rural areas don't have to rush towards the cities to get medical aid. She has also highlighted the issue of shortage of beds in the hospital. She has said that all those COVID centers and hospitals which were set up during the first wave should be reopened, and the medical staff, the retired medical staff, be it the medical officers, nursing staff or paramedics, should be called back to duty in this hour of crisis. She has also highlighted the issue of shortage of oxygen and also medicines and other equipment. She's also said that massive black marketing is taking place and hoarding is taking place, and the government should crack down against such people. She's also highlighted the issue of cremation. People are facing a lot of problem in cremation. Harassment is taking place. Fleecing of people is taking place, and there is no ambulance available to carry the dead to the cremation ground. The waiting hour is 12 hours or more. She has highlighted this issue as well and asked the government to step in. She has also said that those people who are returning back to their homes, the people who've been hit by lockdown or due to COVID, shutting down of industry, they should be also taken care of. They should be provided some cash benefits by the state government so that they can meet up with this challenge in this situation which has hit the entire
Some suggestions there from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Anand, thanks for getting us up to speed with that.